North Wales Snowsports Club was formed over 60 years ago, originally in a garden in Old Colwyn by some real ski enthusiasts. We've got nearly 400 members now.
Yn enw I ydi Siôn Salisbury, a dwi'n helpu hyfforddi'r plant a'r oedolion I sgïo, dysgu sgïo yn Capel Curig I llethr plas-y-brenin. Mae yna sesiwns hanner dwsin o weithiau ar wsos, sesiwns ysgolion, sesiwn rasio fel sy'n mynd ymlaen heno yma, a sesiwn i'r bobl sy'n newydd i'r chwaraeon ac i'r plant ifanc.
Roedd ni yn ymarfer I rasio mewn competitions I blwyddyn yma, a da ni gael practisiau arall bob dydd Gwener a I mynd rownd polion a gwneud sgiliau gwahanol.
I sgïo, da chi angen ski boots a polion a helmet. Mae y binding yn clampio boot I fewn ni, so da chi methu symud, a mae polion I helpu chi pwysio I ffwrdd o sgïo. Mae helmet yn cadw chi saff rhag ofyn disgyn, ydych chi'n barod I sgïo.
For the first time in several years, we took our first junior ski club members who are interested in doing some racing, and we took a group of 9 out to Clwb in Switzerland for the Welsh National Championships. And we had a fantastic week, and we had some very, very good results.
Yn y Swistir, oedd mam a dad fi ddim yna, ond roedd coaches fi, Peter, Laura a ffrind Scarlett yna I helpu ni I trio gorau ni a practisio yn y Swistir ar y Eira.
We would hope to keep on increasing our numbers. We've got lots of new sessions planned. We'd love the junior racing section to expand and just really hoping for more schools and clubs to get involved.
Dwi'n hoffi sgïo lot a dwi'n mwynhau mynd ar Eira a sgïo yn fama.
Mae'n hwyl a da ni'n cael gwneud ffrindiau newydd.